In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost Nintendo Switch 2 internet speed. So there's multiple ways that we could do this, and one really easy way that I recommend that you guys do is go to the main menu of the Nintendo Switch 2 and then go over here to System Settings. Once you're here in System Settings, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll until you see Internet, then go ahead and press on Internet Settings. It is now going to scan all of the networks within your close proximity. So just go ahead and wait for it to load in, and all you want to do is you want to select on the internet connection that you're currently connected to, and you want to go ahead and press on Change Settings. Once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom until you see this option that says MTU. Now, by default, it is going to be set to 1400, but you want to go ahead and delete the 1400 and put 1500 instead, and putting it to 1500 will just make your Nintendo Switch significantly faster and smoother. So please go ahead and consider doing that really quickly. And then once you're done with that, you should be able to notice a significant boost in your internet speed on the Nintendo Switch 2. But that is not all. If that's not working for whatever reason, what you could also do is use a wired connection. A wired connection involves connecting a Ethernet cable, connecting one side of it to your Nintendo Switch 2 and the other side of it to your router. So it is basically going to direct the Wi-Fi directly into your Nintendo Switch. It's not wireless, and having a wired connection in general is just significantly better. You're able to get faster internet speeds that way, and an Ethernet cable is really inexpensive. You can get it from like any technology store or any hardware store, and they really don't cost that much either. So if you wanted to go ahead and switch to a wired connection, that is something that I recommend that you guys do. So once again, you would need to go ahead and press on internet settings one more time, and then it will actually give the option to select on a wired connection. So you need to go ahead and press on that, and then from there go ahead and use a Ethernet cable. And honestly, if you're watching this video, you may already have a Ethernet cable in your house, so go ahead and just look around and see if you have one already. Another thing that you could do is change the DNS settings. So go ahead and select on your Wi-Fi network one more time, then go ahead and press on change settings. Now, if you scroll down to DNS, it will be automatically set to automatic. But if you want to increase your Wi-Fi, then you want to set it to manual. And where it says primary DNS, you want to go ahead and change it to these particular numbers. So you need to go ahead and type in 8 and then dot and then 8 and then dot and then 8 and then dot and then 8 one more time. Then go ahead and press on OK. Then over here where it says secondary DNS, you want to go ahead and delete these numbers one more time. But this time you want to go ahead and put 8 and then dot and then 8 dot and then 4, then dot and then 4. Now, changing your DNS settings to these particular numbers could actually be very helpful, and it will help you improve your internet on the Nintendo Switch 2. Another thing that you guys could do is have your Nintendo Switch relatively close to your router. So the farther your Switch is from your router, that is going to be more difficult, and basically what I recommend that you guys do is put it next to your router or as close to your router as humanly possible, because that could actually help you out with internet significantly. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.